This video contains some tones that are disturbing for some viewers. If you play this in public, you may or will cause panic. But note, I'm not responsible for my actions. Plus, this video is a work of fiction, not real. Anyways, enjoy the video. Our fellow BDN listeners, we are currently underground transmitting this message to you on very low power. It is with great sadness that we have to announce that today, Mama Drama Day, is the last day of our beloved Earth. As we all know now, Asteroid MARTY is on direct collision course with the Earth. This powerful asteroid will wipe out all life on Earth. MARTY is expected to strike at 12 o'clock this afternoon. A broken piece of the fragment struck on land in North Carolina, scorching the entire continent. Nothing above ground is left standing. Those of us underground only have a few hours left to survive. The United States in BDN has fallen. Our fellow citizens of the United States in BDN listeners, this is it. This is your final day. We urge you to spend it with those you love most. Do not be urged to what is currently happening, as this will waste what time is currently left. If you have any loved ones with you underground, spend with them mostly. Even spend with your friends to make your last 12 hours count. I know it is hard to do so in an inescapable threat coming our way, but letting fear consume you currently wastes what time is currently left. Though this is far from a happy Mama Drama Day, do something you can to make your last hours count. Whatever comes next, we don't know. But what we do know right now is that time is running out. We must apologize as BDN and BDN Radio that we waited till the very last minute to warn you of this. It was a cowardly move, and we let the entire world down, especially on Mama Drama Day of all times. This is our fault that we conceal this information from NASA to conceal our final moments in history. This is our final message from BDN Radio. To all of you, whatever comes next, we wish you all a peaceful last day. God bless you all, and God bless America. This is BDN TV. With great sadness, this is our final broadcast on this channel because we just heard from BDN News a few moments ago, Earth is facing an unavoidable threat. A colossal asteroid named MARTY is 1 hour away from colliding with our planet. There is no escape. This asteroid will wipe out all life on Earth, and the Earth will become a lifeless hot fireball completely uninhabitable to all life within the next few weeks. There are no more rockets left in the US or even California to escape the Earth. Even if doing so, all oxygen supplies will only last you a limited amount of time. Evacuation is impossible. Everything above ground is currently burning, and the environmental conditions are not just sustainable for life. It is too late to act quickly. Now it could be a chance for your survival. These are very grim and scary times, but it's our reality. We are now in the last hour of life. While panic is at an all-time high, we urge you to seek the utmost comfort at this time. hold on to your loved ones, children, pets, or even the MD20 festivities. You have an hour left to do these things. You are highly unrecommended to commit suicide, as doing so around others will put them in severe distress. Do anything you need to do to keep yourself calm. Panic does not change the inevitable. Dangerous heat levels are rising, which will cut off all TV channels within the next few minutes. The history of our planet goes back billions of years. It is highly unlikely if life will ever return to Earth. All programming on this channel will now cease. Please hold on to your loved ones and prepare for the end of the world. Thank you for watching BDN TV. We will now sign off for the final time by fading to black. Our thoughts are with you all. Wait, why do I hear piano music coming from the background? Are those colored sleeping bags?